Anyosemu nkomo ahodo a eko emu enkomo yebedi na wonim sensem pinu anso ene na mase ba ni nyina de yebeka ho asem enti join ye neja o comment nso ho na na watwi ehwase mu no na watwi twa mu na wieye mu a ye de be hye na watwi ase na dwumadie bi koso eye Kennedy Akomprakun Agyapong edi dwumadie bi na say dwumadie na koso no Ken Praise 2026 as the ra afia yesi munumu Kennedy Akomprakun Agyapong ehye ayeye dwumadie bi ma ne ba so na Kennedy Agyapong sofo bi begina simpie sukura ehyenkom eka ne ho asem se enoma ebefa ma ne noma bebre asofo pinu aba in fact amanyofo ahodo bebre ena adwomtofo akukudam nipa ebebo pim ho no in fact about hundreds of nipa eba ye ne nyasem ketwa a ombegu dan ni mu ana wono esum nyamede ayeye emenyankopum na o se Ken Praise 2026 eno ene odi ehye afi no ase na dwumedie course no na mehu sa se manfo bi a hyase ka ho asem etutu ho sre ne abasa ohwe Kennedy a wa organize asori dwumedie ana nyamesom ho adwuma bi Kennedy Akomprakun Agyapong. Then he was raising questions near then I'm saying no ma men ready ntia sa no ma nyina ekoso. Now I went back to 2019-2020 and I mehu sa de we na mame moneti kakra mame mo neti join Nhyira 104.5 Facebook page join ye na ti sa de we Odi get me the technicians why na intimi more your voices no na bibia amfa. Let me try again. Ti sa de we ne nhwe.
Yeah,
okay.
I believe in God, but I don't go to church. I believe in God, but I don't go to church. Because a waste of time for somebody to preach to me. Yeah, because I know the Bible. But too bad, I will not go there for you even to preach to me. A waste of time to me.
Why?
Because I know God myself.
And you won't need to be a bumpire.
Oh, Debbie, why? What friends is here? I'm hanging up. And I'm in prophecy. And please, you are wasting my time. Me penna papa be a thousand prophecy.
Won't believe in prophecy.
No, I don't want it. Anytime I die, God's time, I'm gone. They put fear in you so that they can manipulate you. I'm not. Sorry. I believe in God, but I don't go to church. For a waste of time for somebody to preach to me. Yeah, because I know the Bible. But too bad, I will not go there for you even to preach to me. A waste of time to me.
Why?
Yeah, because I know God myself.
And you won't need to be a bumpire.
Oh, Debbie, why? What friends is here? I'm hanging up. And I'm in prophecy. And please, you are wasting my time. Me penna papa be a thousand prophecy.
Won't believe in prophecy.
No, I don't want it. Anytime I die, God's time, I'm gone. Sorry, I believe in God, but I don't go to church. Because a waste of time for somebody to preach to me. Yeah, because I know the Bible. But too bad, I will not go there for you even to preach to me. A waste of time to me.
Why?
Yeah, because I know God myself.
And you won't need to be a bumpire.
Oh, Debbie, why? What friends is here? I'm hanging up. And I'm in prophecy. And please, you are wasting my time. Me penna papa be a thousand prophecy.
Won't believe in prophecy.
No, I don't want it. Anytime I die, God's time, I'm gone.
We Kennedy Ohene Agyapong. Kennedy Akomprakun Agyapong. Na ne comment ya opase ye about the gathering of the saints and our Christians, a Christopher Eshia, na bi aso dem omukohia no. Kennedy Akomprakun Agyapong some time ago. And na all state say, in fact, okotena so dem akwakosum nyame no. A waste of time. Na ono sa abre no ko de beda. He doesn't have the time to go and sit in the church. Say ubi meka sanchre no obi kura me preaching nkyerɛ na o meye bibi nkyerɛ no meto nwom nkyerɛ ne sɛ de na ɛkɔ so wɔ ne dwumadie ɛyɛ Ken 2026 no ase no. He doesn't have that time. Oni saa abre no so obetumi akɔtena hɔ sɛ obi ɛmɛkasa ɛmfa nkyerɛ no. Join your Facebook Nhyira 104.5. Now the critical issue here no the credibility of that event. Say dwumadie na ɛkɔ so no ni nyina so ankasa ɛne so a yɛbɛso mu ebetumi ayɛ yie ɛne nokredi a ɛwɔ saa dwumadie no mu. Say the question is, if a waste of time say Kennedy Akompre Agyapong ɛka no obetumi di akɔtena asɔn dem anaso obetumi di apie dwumadie bi ase a Christopher ahyem te sɛ de ɔno a organizing na anu ya weekend ye atwa mu ya. My question is, what has changed? Is there a revelation? When you a di bi anase bibi na kasa kyerɛ no anase ebia sabre no bibi koso a ebia onye mfa nto dwa ye nimu ana, because once it was a waste of time to organize such a program since we can see piece asofo no organize kra wo ma, because wo nkotena wo se obi emeye sa adwumadie bi na metena ase, you would have slept obeda na ka ho adwetwo na watumi aye de obeye. That is you, Kennedy Akompre Agyapong. My question is, what changed? Ede na asesa a ene watumi organize such a program a man for us waste your time, like you were saying, you know, about betransie in the name of Ken Praise 2026. Say ye praise 2026. Enti wa organize it man for mra yensu nyame ye mema yensa so ye na nyame ase yentuntum nyame Kennedy Akompre Agyapong. Na mahu se man for bi de nenam social media no so ena an Paul kra sesan ena Paul sachraye ena Paul kra no nyankopon eje ne Paul so. Hey, the question here is that Paul sabre no ya manyoni ana. If you look at biblical context, any theology ni ya, Paul no nya manyoni. Paul na a Christo for Christians and na or persecute omo or sorry tia omo ebubi ni ohwese yekumbi. But Paul met Christ. Acts chapter 9. Ushia nyankopon no abo na hwe ho. The ponko so even he became blind for a short while. Paul no ankasa de ofa mu no e ma no agensa che ntimi bisa se Kennedy Akompre Agyapong de na wa fa mu a enei e ba wo no a o kan se ye hie mu se e waste of time no. He's now organized people to come and waste their time. That's the question. And now compare Kennedy Akompre Agyapong to Paul's situation no a enye ye, because Kennedy Akompre Agyapong is a seasoned politician. Or your politician or your manyoni. Paul no nya manyoni. Paul na sabio onko gina eye baby se o petumi bi ana ope. In fact Paul kra no ebra wo sachra ye no sa ni mudi a no okura and influencer wo no olusu ye. Paul so fire kokosi se Paul kra ye de ne koto afiase. Paul so fire kosi se Paul no ankasa kura nso edi wi ye, because na wadane ne ho so obefa Kristo eyi wankaso obepetumi anaso wampese obepeja ne ho nti ena odane nadwene dabi. Paul had an encounter which actually even made him lose our authority na nanko kura first no. One pay influence na nye power bi ne wokope nti no say wadane ne ho. So that comparison is neither here nor there. Kennedy Agyapong has a reason, a particular reason here, and on organizing Christian program, worship, that people should come and gather. Whilst he said, on kai, and we say bubi.
Sorry, me boy.
Sorry. I believe in God, but I don't go to church. So a waste of time for somebody to preach to me. Yeah, because I know the Bible.
Obiani Bible, but was
go too, but I will not go there for you even to preach to me. A waste of time to me.
Why?
Because I know God myself.
And you won't need for be a bumpire.
Oh, Debbie, why? What friends this year may hang up? and a mania prophecy, and a please, you are wasting my time. Me penna papa be a dowsy prophecy. For what?
Won't believe
I
in
don't want to
prophecy.
hear. No, I don't want. Any time I die, a God's time, I'm gone.
Jeff, sir, can praise no baby. I know mujina simpie so no need you media na ekoso. Just put those images there. Bra no mo to no obijina na prophet na ehye na nkom no. Kennedy akompre ko Agyapong asemni. My question is what has changed? Because African politicians, no, the entire me beside these critical questions, and then they say we have politicians that yetimi ko dinam krofo fie wofufu just because of power. Otimije woma e wofufu just because of tumi, just because of votes. Ye won krofo a omutumi di kenke okay na akufuado. Timi di kenke num kalipo nyina. Just because they want to align with the people. Psychological game. Se be ya manfo no ebe hu ne se bia oka wo mu ho nanso bia onka ho. Ebi mu nso wo ho a omutumi kura ko prankrofo fie ma wo mu. Ebi quote scriptures. Ken oforiatai ko gina parliament be quote scriptures. Ene ye friend kura so wo mra down. On say ayedene. He doesn't even want to come. Ono ani fie ayedena ma no. The African politicians itimi. So the critical question is that can praise what actually influenced it? Kennedy akompre ko Agyapong what changed? He needs to come and give us the reason because he himself voters e Ghana ha nyina ne omo a sebe Ghana fo e wo omayimu no e fa dodo no aye Christopher. Etiebe politicians they will be chasing the majority which is the Christians for their vote, but any genuine things so na ye besom anase we chisa na dwene okaye ho na de free na cross an wo beye. And so Kennedy akompre ko Agyapong should let us know the conviction, the reason for that particular change of mind enkoya na dwuma nasem aso obeka ye Christopher ho ekire obehwa na hwehwem wo na cross do bi ko ofufu no mkalipo ni ade nyina di dokono ri ase no cross wo nim ye hawkra. We want to do credibility. That's the reason why I'm asking these critical questions. Kennedy akompre ko Agyapong must answer why or no see a waste of time now. He organized people to also waste their time at the Camp Praise 2026. Na yentiasie. Road traffic accidents and so kosu bebre.